Well, it ain't no job. It's live, live. It's all the way live. Don't even have to walk. Don't even have to drive. Just slide, glide, slippity slide. Just forget about the troubles in your 9 to 5 and just sail on. That's what you do. Just sail on. Now the dude's so funky. Hey, what do you think? What is it called? It's called a lakeside stank.